Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and opening settings. This ensures a smooth switch. Once you've checked Model and OS, make sure the alternate assistant app is installed and up to date. Next, sign into your device account with administrative access so changes can be applied. Now tap System or Apps, depending on your OS, to locate default apps or assistant settings. This first action sets permissions and identifies the current assistant, so you can replace it without losing voice shortcuts. Now you'll select the new assistant and configure it in detail. In Default Apps or Assist and Voice Input, pick the installed assistant from the list. This switches core voice handling. Then grant microphone, location, and notification permissions so voice features work reliably. Once permissions are in, set wake word and voice match options to improve recognition. Also customize language, response style, and privacy settings. These decisions affect performance and what data is stored, so tweak them to suit your needs. Finish the process by testing the assistant with wake word and a few queries. This verifies functionality. If responses lag or features are missing, reboot the device and reauthorize the assistant in account settings. This often resolves token or permission issues. Make sure to rerun voice training if recognition is off. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall the assistant app. That fixes corrupted data. And if you still see failures, check for OS updates because compatibility bugs are a common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.